How to buy PEPE coin on Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iPhone and then open up the Coinbase app. From there, you want to go to the top left-hand corner where the 9 dots are. You then want to scroll down to where it says Web3 and dApps, and you want to select Coinbase Wallet. From there, if you don't already have it downloaded, download the Coinbase Wallet. Once you've downloaded your Coinbase Wallet, you want to go into it. You then want to go to the bottom right-hand corner and select Explore. And in the top search bar, you want to type in Uniswap, and it should come up. And from here, you want to scroll down, and you want to select the official website in the bottom right-hand corner. Here, it will take you to their website, and it will allow you to connect. So you want to select Connect in the top right-hand corner. And here, it will give you an option to connect a wallet. You'll select Coinbase Wallet. Once your Coinbase wallet has been connected, you should be given the option Ethereum in the Sell top box and Select Token in the bottom. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the top left-hand corner. You want to make sure that you select Ethereum. And once you've selected that, from here, you want to select a token. And in the search box, you want to type in PEPE coin. It should show you PEPE coin. You want to select that. And in the sell box, it should show Ethereum. And now in the buy box, it should show PEPE. All you have to do now is type in the amount you wish to trade. So for this example, I'll type in 5. It now shows me what I can trade for 5 Ethereum and convert it to PEPE coin. Now, as you can see, it shows I have insufficient Ethereum balance. That's because I have no money in my wallet for Ethereum. But if you did, it should show you swap and allow you to make the transaction. And that's how to buy PEPE coin in Coinbase Wallet.